Hello everyone, this is Ankur Gupta, and in this video I will be talking about how to make drill down charts. Basically, you want to click on suppose there is a pie chart, and through a definite sector you want to navigate to a chart which again shows the detail of that particular section. Suppose India has several states, and if you want to see the cities in the states, so there would be a graph showing all the states in the country. And then if you want to navigate to states to cities, then you click on the uh, sector for pie chart or a bar for the bar chart, and you click on that, and you could see another chart which shows all the cities in that particular uh, state. So I will be talking about how to achieve this in iReports, and as we already know that the drill down reports have any kind of a perceivance, or we could see the changes of the drills in Jasper server only, as iReport is a development kit. So we need to deploy the reports on the server to see the results. So I will be showing how to deploy as well as the working of the whole chart thing. So to start with, let me just move on to the demo in iReports itself. That will be quite understandable if I or jump onto the demo itself. So let me open the iReports. So basically you need to create, as the idea seems like drilling from the base report to the subsidiary report. Basically what you need to do is you need to create a base report. As you could see, this is my base report, and this is my subsidiary or the drill down report. So what I am planning to do is, like, let me just run this report and things would be clearer. If I preview this report, it shows name, age, and gender and profession accordingly, like in different countries. Like Africa has these many people, America, India, and so on. So a pie chart looks like this. It says CA, which are red in color, are 3 in number. If I navigate, click on here, it should take me to the another uh, chart which shows me based on the profession distribution. Like for CA, various countries which have CAs and their participation in the whole pie chart and so on. That is the basic concept. So for this, what we need to do is, like, as we have an idea, if we want to navigate from this, uh, suppose we need to navigate from this red section, then we need to pass the value of this profession, that is CA, to our subsidiary report. So this is the key concept. We need to pass the value of this field or the parameter from here to the next report, and that should be incorporated into the query. So let me just show the query. I have a parameter called profession which I am getting from the parent report, and if I see the query, so the query goes like this. I am counting the countries, different countries, and that to distinct. Mind it. If they are not distinct, then they are kind of repetitive in nature. So I just need distinct countries, as you need have distinct sections of particular countries, and I am counting the number of people for that particular country. As I am grouping by country, so per country, number of people would be listed, and I am limiting it with the profession which I am getting from the parent report. So this is a simple query which runs for this. Now the next important step is that first we need to deploy this subsidiary report onto the server. So what I have done here is I have deployed this drill chart on the server, and input controls are like this. And if I open a server, that local Suppose I'm just opening the Jasper server on my end, and I will show you how to get the path of the report, as we need to refer it on this repository. So I'm using the default credential. Wrong path, I guess. That was a minor error. So moving on, these under this folder, my reports, I have deployed this drill chart. So what do we need to get after we deploy it on the server? What we need to do is, like, we need to get the path of this on the server itself. So it's coming slash reports slash my reports slash drill chart. In order to refer this particular thing, what we need to do is, like, if I go to the chart data for this, our base report, in the detail section, we where we define the key expression, value expression, and the label expression, there is a tab called sectional hyperlink. So what do we need to do is, we need to target self. If you want to open into a new page altogether, what you need to do is you could select blank. I am just opening on the same report. Now hyperlinking, I am hyperlinking, type is report execution, as we want to execute a report. So, and on the same time we need to link some parameters. So the most important parameter which we need for reference purpose is underscore report. Now underscore report is a default parameter which passes the path for the drill down report. So this contains the address of our report, subsidiary report on the server, and that should be a complete qualified path. So there should be no errors in this. Other is profession. I am passing profession from here, linking the parameter profession, and the field which I am passing here is prof. Prof, this value expression is from this base report, and the name of the parameter which receives the value in the subsidiary report is profession. So that is all what we need to do on the iReports stuff. Now we need to deploy this particular report which I have already deployed, and as we use no input control for this report, so there is none. For this drill down chart, we need to have the input control profession declared in order to have having passed the value of profession, else it would take a default value, and default value you already know from where to give. As we, and I will just show you, like, default values. Suppose this is the profession, and if I go to the properties, I have given a default value to engineer. If I don't uh, declare the input control in this drill chart, it will automatically take engineer whatsoever section I might link. So it's very important that you declare this profession input control. Now moving on to the demonstration, I am running the report, the base report. Now the base report produces same result as we have seen in the iReports. Now quickly move on to the pie chart. As we could see over here, CA is 3, engineer, I see the number of engineers are more in this. So I am clicking onto the green pie chart, pie sector, and that will take me automatically to the drill chart. See. So now here what I have is, from India, that is green in color, there are 3 people. From 1, we could signify Italy is having 1. We could further drill down on this. I haven't deployed anything. If we click, suppose in our logic, if we click on this green sector, It could take us to a detail section where it gives the details of all the Indian people who are engineers and so on. So this was a quick demonstration of the drill down reports and the Jasper reports. Hope you liked my video. If you like my video, you could follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is @Ankur_AUG. You could also see my profile on Facebook, or you could find my profile on LinkedIn as well. For further information on Jasper, you could consult my blogspot, which is ankurthetechie.blogspot.in, or you could G plus me. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.